Oh, babe, I love you so much. Thank you for buying me them new shoes. That's it. I've had enough.